to my series, So You Want to Be a Psychiatrist? We have another question. I'm so excited to answer this. Essentially, she asked, what do I think makes a good psychiatrist? And this is a really, really good question because unfortunately, I mean, just like any field, right? It's not unique to psychiatry. It's not unique to being a physician. Any job, there's good apples and there's bad apples, right? You know, I would say something that makes a good psychiatrist, other than the obvious, right? Which is being empathic and caring about your patients, advocating for your patients. I feel like those are the obvious things. But I've come to find recently as I've, become a little baby attending that it's important to remain curious. It's important to remain curious. I think in all fields, it's so easy to just kind of with the status quo of things. If you see something in a patient's chart, you don't question it, continue on going with whatever it is the previous person or the previous provider thought. And I think what truly makes a good psychiatrist is to be curious. I think that's a trait that we all had when we enter the field of psychiatry because there's so much curiosity, so much things we are still finding out about psychiatric illness and how it presents. We all possess that trait of curiosity when we enter the field, but I do think because of different factors, right? Systemic barriers, all of the pressures from like hospital systems, from patients, from everything. There's so many things that look like mental illness that may not be. So many things that you can do to make sure that you're optimizing treatment. And so that curiosity helps. If you're staying curious, if you're asking questions, if you're questioning previous treatments and previous diagnoses, that is how you are able to best advocate for your patient, you're able to best optimize treatment for your patient, is to remain curious. That's what I would say. That's kind of like a different answer, but hopefully you get the gist. Make sure to keep them coming. Share this with somebody who you feel will find this helpful, and I will see you next time.